In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problem code 43. First thing you're going to do is go here and type in registry editor. Open registry editor and you're going to go to this file location. So it's first, it is H key local machine and then system. Go to system and here you will go to services. So inside of here you will go to system and then you will go to current control set. Inside current control set you'll go to services. Inside services you're gonna go all the way down and find USB store. So it should be down here, and let's see, so it should be this one, USB store. After you found it, find error control, click on it twice and type in the value 3, click OK and restart your computer, and this should fix your issue.